In this example, we'd like to know what is the concentration of sodium ions in a solution created by mixing 75 mils of 1.35 molar NaCl and 125 mils of 0.732 molar of sodium sulfate. So in this case, one of the things that is perhaps the most difficult is the fact that it's asking you to total the sodium concentration ions. So in this case, we need to remember that molarity equals moles divided by liters. And so in this case, in this example, we want to determine the total moles divided by the total volume. So we'll tackle the 1.35 molar NaCl first. So if we take our 0.0750 liters, multiply that by the molarity of 1.35 moles in 1 liter, we get that there are 0.10125 moles of NaCl. Now, it only asks about the sodium ions. Therefore, we want to take our 0.10125 mole of NaCl using the ratio of 1 mole NaCl to 1 mole Na plus. We know that that gives us a total of 0.10125 moles of Na plus. So that's good. But now we need to consider the second compound, which is 125 mils of 0.732 molar of sodium sulfate. So we're going to take our volume, which is 0.125 liters, multiply that by our split concentration of 0.732 moles in 1 liter. And that gives us 0.091875 moles of Na2SO4. Now it's just asking for the moles of sodium ions, so we need to convert the moles of sodium sulfate to moles of sodium. So if there are 0.091875 moles of sodium sulfate, for every 1 mole of sodium sulfate, there are 2 moles of Na plus. I got that directly out of the balanced chemical equation. There are 2 moles of sodium for every 1 sulfate molecule. So in that case, we get 0.18375 moles of Na plus. So our molarity is to divide, or our goal to calculate the molarity is again moles over liters. So we need to sum up the concentration of sodium ions. It's going to go up here. And so in this case, it is 0.10125 moles plus 0.18375 moles divided by our total volume, which is 75 plus 125. And that needs to be in liters. And so when we plug this in our calculator, we get 0.285 divided by 0.200 liters, moles, which gives us 1.425 molar. We should double check our sig figs up here at the top. So all of our values only have 3 significant figures. So we're going to trim our value to 1.43 molar. So in this example, we just determined the moles of sodium in each of these, added those together, and used the total example.